Worried your ICICI Bank gift card is collecting dust? Let's find out exactly how much spending power you have left in just a minute. First, head over to the official ICICI Bank website. You can easily find it by searching ICICI Bank on Google or directly typing ICICIBank.com into your browser's address bar. Once you're on the home page, look for the Cards section in the main navigation menu at the top. Hover your mouse over it. A drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, locate and click on the gift card option. This will take you to the dedicated gift card section of the website. Now, look for a button or link that says something like Check Balance, Know Your Balance, or Gift Card Balance Inquiry. It's usually prominently displayed on the page. Clicking on that link will take you to a form. You'll need to enter your ICICI Bank gift card number. It's a long series of numbers usually printed on the front of the card. Carefully enter the gift card number, and if required, any other details asked, such as the PIN or expiry date of the card, into the respective fields. After you've entered all the necessary information, click on the Submit or Check Balance button at the bottom of the form. And there you have it. Your current gift card balance will be displayed on the screen. Now you know exactly how much you have to spend. Happy shopping!